Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to solve important battery message on iPhone that unable to verify this iPhone has genuine Apple battery. If you're using any iPhone and you are having this type issue, so let's see how can you fix that. First of all, you need to update your iOS version because sometime it might be happen that your iOS version has not been updated and your phone get this type issue. So you must have to open your settings, then go for general, then go for software update, and here you have to make sure that you have a stable internet connection, and then you have to make sure that you have the latest iOS version. There is no any update available, or if you have any pending update here, so you must have to download and install it on your phone. And once you have updated, you have to try again, or if you are still having the same issue, so now what you have to do, you must have to try to restart your phone. So you just have to quickly press and release your volume up, then volume down, then press and hold your power button until your phone's screen goes fully black. So you must have to try this. Quickly press and release your volume up, then volume down, then press and hold your power button until your phone screen goes fully black. It might take a while, so you must have to wait for it. Once you get the black screen, wait for Apple logo here and then release the button. So it will make a force restart to your phone. Once your phone has been forced restarted, it might be that your problem will be fixed. But if it doesn't, so you have to make sure that you have the genuine Apple battery, or you have to check the hardware. So in this way, you can easily fix the unable to verify this iPhone has genuine battery. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.